Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team in this 4-set win?
Una sa lahat, sobrang thank you kay Lord sa pag-guide talaga sa amin everyday. Siyempre, again, lagi ko lang sinasabi, nakaka-proud yung team. Alam naman namin kung paano kami nag-start, paano namin tinrabaho lahat to. And good thing kasi yung eagerness din ng bawat isa, especially yung mga starting six namin na grabing effort. So, yeah, yun. Sobrang happy and proud talaga sa team.
Thank you, Coach. Vani, in the past games, nagpo-5 sets yung Creamline Signal, but this time you guys managed to finish this in 4 sets. Just your overall thoughts on how the team performed tonight, and you got the finals ticket.
We really just did our best to stay composed, even when they got one set from us. And then we just kept telling each other 1 point at a time, 1 point at a time, because based on experience, we know how Creamline can really come back at any time, even if the score is super far. They've done it many times. So really did our best to bounce back from our mistakes and just really move forward.
Thank you. At then, in the past games, grabe rin yung naging contributions mo for the team. Paano mo lang din ba ina-own yung role mo being one of the leading scorers din for Signal, especially in a crucial game like this?
Yun nga, sabi ni Vani, I try to do my best for the team. Talagang cover each other yung mentality namin ngayon. And I think moving forward, we just have to continue yung synergy na na-build na namin and to continue playing together as one. Yun nga, like yung previous din na interview ni Vani na walang star na magpa-star sa team namin. Talagang all for the team talaga yung mindset. So, yeah, paulit-ulit, pero yun yung nakakaiba ngayong conference na talagang we're playing as one unit.
Thank you. Jel, 29 excellent sets and 5 points in this match. Siguro as the playmaker of this team, gaano ka lang din ka proud of yung kung paano mo napagalaw lahat ng mga players din in this game?
Siguro po i-credit ko siya sa bawat isa talaga. Kasi ang iksi na lang ng namin ng preparation para sa game na to. Pero grabe yung commitment ng bawat isa, talagang nag-aral kami sa team, tsaka yung individual pagdating namin sa bahay, inaral talaga din namin yung Creamline para mabasa namin sila isa-isa. And ayun, nagbunga naman kanina. And ayun, pa kami, tatrabaho pa talaga kami para ma-continue namin yung magandang ginagalaw namin. And syempre, ang matagal na naming inaasam na makuha namin ano na yan.
Thank you. Questions?
Yun sa player, siguro syempre grabe yung hirap din na dinaanan ng team bago makarating dito. Yung itong finals nyo, what does this mean to you na makakabalik kayo sa championship round?
First time.
Ano ulit yun? Sorry.
Makabalik sa champion.
Makabalik sa... hirap na. Parang siguro patunay talaga na lalo kay Coach Hak na daming nawala sa amin. Nabuwag yung core namin pero nagbuo ulit si Coach Hak. And ayun, sobrang thankful kami talaga sa bawat isa na kinapitan namin yung bawat isa. And hindi na kami naghanap ng kung sino-sino pa. Kung anong meron kami, yun yung nilalaban namin, tinatrabaho namin para makarating dito sa na to. And sobrang grateful ako sa lahat.
Oh, yeah. It's hard for us to answer kasi parang we can't explain how deep this is for us. Kasi we know how hard we worked for this. Like I just have so much gratefulness for the team kasi the player I am today is because of them, and then the way the team is performing is because we just want the best for each other. It's really not for ourselves, it's for each other. And so it's just I can't explain how meaningful it is for me to reach the finals again.
Copy paste.
Ganda na eh, okay na.
Yeah, okay na yun. Yeah, yun yung I'm thankful to be part of this team. And yun nga, yung hugot na meron sila coming in as a relatively new player sa Signal. Sobrang nararamdaman ko and I want to help them as much as I can na ma-achieve yung hugot na yun. So yeah. I love them.
Fanny, a few press conferences ago, you told that your goal is to give Signal a championship. It was a bold statement that time since early pa lang yung conference, and now you're here in the finals, inching closer to that goal. What does this mean for you? Tsaka how do you feel?
Like you said, it means everything to me. But our focus isn't that we go to the championship. Our focus is that we train like champions every day. So that's what we do. We ask God for a championship. He's gonna give us challenges, but we need to play like we're champions. You know, so it means the world because I see that the qualities of a champion in each one of them, and like I said, it's made me a better person and player.
Yay!
Thank you for that.
Coach, yung
That question.
last two finals appearances niyo po, parehong dikit yun, parehong may import po yun. First all-Filipino final niyo rin po. So, gano'n kayo base sa grupo na to, nasan yung kumpiyansa niyo na third time's the charm for Sig?
I think ngayon mas yung pakiramdam namin, especially ako bilang yung sa head ng team dahil ang dami ko nang ginawang way para lang makuha yung tamang timpla, yung pwedeng gawing adjustment, even yung players yung adjustment na ginagawa rin nila sa akin, and kung paano nila i-absorb yung sistema na ginagawa namin everyday. And siguro ang laking bagay lang talaga yung preparation namin. Like sinabi nga ni Van, yung championship kasi andyan lang naman siya lagi. I think ang pinaka-importante is yung paano mo siya tinatrabaho everyday. And then paano ka mag-act as a champion din, or yung mindset. Kasi to be honest, hindi pa naman kami nag-champion talaga. So pero alam naman namin and may idea kami yung paano ka mag-act ng tama. Based na lang din sa experiences namin. Sobrang dami ng sakit na naramdaman namin. Siguro for how many years and conferences talagang hindi kami nainip. Tinanggap lang namin kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangang matanggap namin, and sobrang natuto kami dun. So good thing kasi hindi kami nag-give up, and sobrang ang sarap sa pakiramdam na siyempre papasok kami sa finals and mas magiging inspired kami, especially pagdating ng finals. Pero siyempre trabahuin muna namin yung last game namin this coming Thursday.
Angel, bilang isa din sa mga longest serving players nga ng team na to, parang focus ko lang yung pagkapit mo dito sa team na to through these years, to yung ups and downs mo. And ngayon, ito na yung third try mo na to win Signal Championship.
Ayun nga, tulad ng sabi ni Coach kanina, ang dami na rin talaga pinagdaanan namin, dami ng iyak. Kasi, maabot naman sa finals, ganun, pero hindi talaga nananalo. So this time yung opportunity na ibibigay ni Lord, talagang i-grab namin to, pagtatrabahoan namin to.
Pagod na.
Coach, before nga ng finals, may PLDT pang haharapin. So paano nyo lang i-face yung game 9 with this momentum on your side?
I think yung good thing is meron kaming one day para mapag-aralan sila and makapag-prepare kami. So, as of now, siyempre mas kailangan namin munang i-feel yung panalo namin and celebrate. At tomorrow again, trabaho kami. Paano namin sila i-reviewin ulit. And siyempre, kailangan makuha namin yung maganda pang momentum para tuloy-tuloy lang yung magandang performance ng team. So, ayun.
Jel, yun nga, bilang galing ka na dun sa dalawang final, siguro ano yung nakikita mong pinaka-strength o magiging edge nyo dito sa lineup na meron kayo?
Si Bunny.
No,
si Jen. Hindi.
Si Jen.
Ako mismo, ito ngayon na-feel ko na mas composed talaga ako. Yun nga, sinasabi ko na, nare-regulate ko na yung emotions ko.
Spell.
Later na lang.
Yun na makokontrol
Wala
na,
tuloy.
kumbaga,
Ito lang, agad na ni.
lalo sa mga dikitan na score, talagang na-overcome ko na siya. Kaya mas lalo akong kumpiyansa sa sarili ko na kaya kong dalhin yung team.
Correct.
Ayun.
Yun lang.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you,
Thank you po.
Vanna.
Congrats po.
Thank you.
Parang maiiyak na talaga.
May correction sa stats